Hey guys, so if you click on this video, you're probably looking for the custom order guide to buy your Tesla Model 3. But here's a quick disclaimer. I'm not qualified to tell you, because I'm not even over the legal age of driving a car. I can't legally own a car. I'm too young. But if you decide to watch this video, then I have some great advice that you can definitely trust. So you're probably looking at the Tesla Model 3, because that's the cheapest one, and that's the only one you can afford. But yeah, it's still kind of expensive though. But here, I will be using the US prices, because that's most popular, I think. But no, I don't live in the US, I live in Canada, so your price and tax and stuff might be different. But yes, so you go to Tesla.com, you want to click on Model 3 if you're looking for the Model 3, and yeah. So, well, you can see here, it tells you, like, it advertises these things, but these are for the optimal things that, like, the optimal configurations that will end up costing you, like, $60,000. It's still pretty good though, but that's probably not what most of you are looking for and going to pick up. The most popular one here will be the Standard Range Plus, and that'll cost $40,000, right? And the range isn't the best because it's an EV, so it's 140 miles. Sorry, it's 240 miles. Sorry, until it dies, and the top speed is 140, and the 0 to 60 mile per hour is 5.3. So it's not the best, not the worst. You can deal with it. But that only includes a partial premium interior. If you're like looking for some better interior and better things, and you have more money to spend, well, go for the long range, because it changes your miles to 310. That's 70 miles more than before, and your top speed increases by 5 miles per hour, and your 0 to 60 miles per hour is changed to 4.4 seconds. That's pretty good, if you ask me. And it includes the premium interior, which I'll read you what it has. So premium interior includes a 12-way power adjustable front and rear seats that are both heated, which is amazing. Premium audio, which means it has 14 speakers, 1 subwoofer, 2 amps, and immersive sound, which will deliver like amazing sound quality throughout the whole car. And premium connectivity of just 1 year, which will mean satellite maps with live traffic visualization, in-car internet, and streaming music and media. That's good, but after a year, remember, you have to pay, so. More frequent over-the-air updates via cellular and an internet browser. The internet browser, Elon Musk said they might just make it so if you don't buy the premium interior, you still get that, so yeah. And there will be LED fog lamps and a center console with storage, 4 USB ports, and docking for 2 smartphones. That is like, because the basic one isn't included because, it's a Tesla Model 3. It's for like one person. If you're looking for like a family car, then you should probably get the Model S or the Model X. You shouldn't be looking at the Model 3 for a family car. And also, like, all interiors, they'll include tinted glass roof with ultraviolet and infrared protection, so you don't get cancer. Auto dimming and power folding heated side mirrors. That's pretty cool, so when it's freezing, you can still see behind you. Can you imagine if it didn't have that? And music and media over Bluetooth. That's like a basic feature over like basically all cars. And custom driver profiles. Obviously, it's a Tesla. And of course, yeah, that's basically what you will be getting with the long range and the performance as well. But the performance will also get 20-inch performance wheels instead of the basic. Like, this will be the standard for you if you're going to the exterior. But a quick disclaimer, the 20-inch performance wheels are, like, believe it or not, it's bigger than the 18-inch aero wheels, which means if you hit a pothole, there's more of a chance that you'll damage your tires, and that'll probably cost you like $6,000 to repair. So you might not want to get that. But you will be getting the performance brakes, carbon fiber spoilers, which, yeah, amazing, and lower suspension. And this is what's most important, at least to me, aluminum alloy pedals. So your pedals will be like aluminium. Aluminium. I just triggered you, I know. And also increased top speed from 145 to 162, and the 0 to 60 will be 3.2 seconds, which is like amazing. And track mode. Track mode, wow, yay, so exciting, right? Okay, and if you go to the exterior, you can choose the colors and the wheels. Oh crap, I forgot to go back and change it to standard range because this is the most popular one. So when you choose the colors, right now, the free included color will be white. Although they like to change the colors every like couple years. So if you're watching this in like 2025, then this video is probably like irrelevant. So don't watch it in 2025. Yeah, remember that? Okay, so before the black was actually free and you have to spend another $1,000 to get the white. So yeah, the white is actually like, it's a multi-coat, you know, it's amazing. So yeah, just don't spend extra money to get solid black. That one scratches easily, it gets dirty really easily, and it's not a multi-coat. So yeah, get the white if you can. But if you really like the midnight silver metallic, well then go for it. Although in my opinion, it looks kind of cheap, so I don't like it that much. Now if you like blue, well, get the blue. Also like that looks cheap too. But if you just have money to spend and you want to flex on people, get the red, because people know that cost $2,000, and it's a multi-coat, so like at least it's good, right? At least it's a multi-coat. Okay, and 18-inch aero wheels is included, but you can spend extra to get the sport wheels. Although I don't recommend you to do that because it's, yeah, you know, like potholes, I explained that already. Although that's 19 and the other one is 20-inch, so, and that one's even worse. And the interior will have, like, you have two options, right? You have black and white. I did not say, hey Siri. Why are you... Siri, stop. Okay. The interior, what I recommend is all black because the white is super white and you can get it really dirty really easily. As well as if you choose the white, like the bar, as I hope you can see here on the screen, the bar here is white and that's super reflective. When the sun just hits it, it'll bounce into your eyes and blind you and you'll just die or something. So yeah, choose the black, and the black is free too, so don't get the white. The white costs an extra $1,000. Although if you want to flex, I guess, by the white. Yeah, so again, the tinted glass roof, blah, 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 a bunch of things. And 4 is Autopilot. This is like, yeah, so Autopilot will be like free, you know, because it's a Tesla car and you get Autopilot. Yeah, so it'll enable your car to steer, accelerate, and brake automatically for other vehicles and pedestrians within the lane. Pretty good, right? And if you pay extra, you can get the self-driving capability. So it'll be coming later, which means you can like navigate on autopilot with automatic driving from highways on-ramp to off-ramp, and including interchanges and overtaking slower cars. That's like amazing. That's just best. There's auto lane changes, like automatic lane changes while driving on the highway. So like if you want to change lanes for some reason, because obviously people change lanes. There's auto park, which means it does just that, it auto parks. And summon, so like say you're watching a movie with a girl you really like or something, and she's wearing makeup. After you watch the movie, say it's raining, you don't want to leave her behind and just get your car and drive. And you don't want her to walk with you because, you know, it's raining and it'll like break her makeup or something. I don't know how makeup works. So yeah, you go on your phone, you press the summon button, and the car will like, this is walking, the car will like drive to you. And it's a pretty cool party trick if you're doing a car part. Yeah, I'm not making sense, okay? It's just, I'm not even qualified to drive. I'm not 16 yet. Okay, and coming later this year, it'll be able to recognize stop signs and traffic lights. Also, it can automatically drive on city streets. There we go. That will be an extra $6,000, although you can purchase it later after you get the car, but it'll probably cost more than like $10,000 because they'll be like, hey, too bad you didn't buy it when you bought the car. You suck, right? And when you go to the payment, of course, you can add some home energy like solar panels, so you don't have to pay electricity bills anymore. And this like will cost you. So this is like the base configuration, I think, right? Let me see. Yep. Okay, this is the base configuration, but with Autopilot, and that'll cost you $45,000 without tax. And so most people will probably like pay cash, right? Just pay it out front, so you don't have to like pay every month or something. But there's this thing which if you like choose loan, right, you can estimate payment. So if you choose like 72 months, and say you pay $15,000 up front, there we go. The APR is still 4.25. Then every month you pay $500 for 72 months. That's like pretty good, right, for a Tesla. And also your money, if you don't put your money on like a savings account, you just put it in a normal checkings account, and you don't use a credit card, you use a debit card, then you're losing a lot of money. And your money depreciates every year by 6%. So you're basically losing 6% of your total money every year. So if you lease like for 72 months, every year you're paying less. Like you're paying 6% less every year, which is pretty cool, but that's why they have the APR. So, but the APR is only 4.5%, and you're paying 6% less. So you're actually saving a bit of money here if you lease the car with a $15,000 down payment. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You should watch 2 YouTubers. I'm gonna shout out 2 YouTubers, but I'm like the small YouTuber that should be shout out. But there's this guy. His name is Master of. He plays games. He used to. Now he buys Tesla cars. He gives you like way better advice than me. His channel name is, what is it again? Oh, yeah, it's like Tesla Driver or something. Yeah, I think it's just Tesla Driver. And the other guy, his name is Stephans. You probably know him. He gives like financial advices and stuff. He talks about money. That's what he does. And yeah, that's the end for the Model 3. If you have any more questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Or just go to reddit.com/r/Tesla. There's a bunch of people willing to help. Alright, that's it. Bye.